Hello mathematicians, here is the video for home connections 95, 96, and 97. Page 95 has a bunch of geometrical terms that we've talked about in class. Parallel lines will never ever cross, they're always the same distance apart. Perpendicular lines are a special type of intersection. They intersect at a perfect 90-degree angle. A right angle, exactly 90 degrees. Acute, less than 90 degrees. Obtuse, more than 90 degrees, but less than a straight angle. Quadrilateral, let's meet at the quad. 4 buildings. Quadricep, 4 muscles. Quadruplets, 4 babies. Pentagon, 5 sides. And a hexagon, I always remember that a hexagon has an X in it, just like the number 6 has an X in it. So it has 6 sides. All right, page 96. We're going to draw 2 examples. Your examples do not need to look just like mine. So if they're different but still parallel, you're good to go. Go ahead and make them both lines going on and on forever in both directions. Here's an example of parallel lines. And here's another example of parallel lines. And again, don't worry if yours don't look exactly like mine. As long as they're examples of parallel lines, you're good to go. Perpendicular lines need to cross at a 90-degree angle. So here is an example of perpendicular. And again, if they're lines, we should have arrows. And go ahead and put a little square in there so people know that it's exactly 90 degrees. And yours do not need to look just like mine. Here's another example of perpendicular. Letter C, a right angle. Here's another example of a right angle. An obtuse angle more than 90 degrees. Put an arc so people know to focus on the obtuse part and not on the reflex part of the angle. So put an arc in the obtuse part. And the last one, an acute angle, less than 90 degrees. And again, put an arc in there so people know to look at the acute part of your angle, not the reflex part of the angle. And the last page, page 97. Letter A, a quadrilateral with only one pair of parallel sides. That would be a trapezoid. It has 4 sides. And the pair of parallel sides, in this case, it's the top and the bottom. You could also draw a trapezoid like this, where instead of the top and bottom are parallel, the left and right are parallel. Letter B, a pentagon, so that's 5 sides, with 1 right angle and 1 acute angle. This was difficult for me to get on the first try. I had to try a few times. So I'm going to start with my right angle, and I know I need 1 acute angle, which means the rest need to be obtuse. Like that. Here is my acute angle. And I think we're good. The other ones look like either right angles or obtuse angles. Okay. And it has 5 sides. I'll link to those as well. Letter C, a hexagon, 6 sides, with exactly 1 pair of perpendicular sides. Perpendicular means a 90-degree angle. So we need 6 sides. There's my 90-degree angle. 3, 4, 5, 6. And I don't have any other right angles. I think we're good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I see an acute angle, an obtuse angle, a reflex angle, acute, obtuse. Okay, we're good. 1 pair of perpendicular sides, and it has 6 sides. And finally, a hexagon with exactly 1 pair of parallel sides. 1 pair of parallel sides. I'm going to make the top and bottom parallel. So that's 1, 2. I need 6 sides. 3, 4, 5, 6. So in this case, the top and bottom are parallel. Maybe I'll make, so that's not parallel. There we go. So in this case, the top and bottom are parallel. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, your examples do not need to look exactly like mine as long as they follow the instructions. So here's page 96 and page 97. All right, kiddos, I will see you in class.